Imagine having a dining experience where your food is served on toy trains coming straight from the chef's kitchen. The newly launched 11th branch of Platform 65 in the heart of Bengaluru's Rajarajeshwari Nagar promises exactly that and much more. Platform 65 was launched in 2019 and is India's largest chain of toy train themed restaurants. The other branches are in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and Vizag. The grand inauguration ceremony on September 28th was attended by distinguished dignitaries such as Kusuma Hanumatharappa, member of the Indian National Congress, Priya Krishna, MLA of Govindaraj Nagar, and M. Yogamurthy, Managing Director of YGR Corporations, along with Vice President Venkatesh Gopisetti and Corporate General Manager Shrikant Bandaru of the Platform 65 team. Stepping into this restaurant is like stepping back in time with its stone walls and carefully curated artifacts that create a warm and inviting ambience. The newly opened space boasts a captivating interior that pays homage to the rich history of Rajarajeshwari Nagar. Platform 65 is known for its delicious cuisines ranging from Chinese to South Indian. This second restaurant in Bengaluru is indeed a cherished addition to the city's dining scene, offering an unforgettable experience that blends delicious cuisine with a touch of nostalgia. For more such updates about the city, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.